what is the cure for hiccups? So, I had hiccups once. Now I'm telling you the cure for hiccups. So, I had hiccups, and my sister was like, okay, just drink some lemonade. And I was like, what? And she was like, I promise it helps. So it wasn't exactly me who found it out. I think she would have been joking, but she still kind of found it. So, yeah, I know the cure for hiccups. The cure for hiccups, obviously, is lemonade. So if you want some lemonade, so if you have hiccups, please just go drink the lemonade. And I honestly feel like no one's going to watch this video because I literally just started YouTube and I'm probably never actually going to get that far on it. But if you want to know the cure for hiccups, then you should watch this. Wait, never mind, because whatever. So, there's probably different cures for hiccups, but this is my cure and it works. So, please do that, because then you will be cured from torture, from the torture called hiccups. So just go do that, okay?